Okay, so in this video I'm going to speak about a specific mistake you want to avoid in Instagram if you want to have many followers. And I'm going to speak about using these two examples. So these two girls are probably models or something like that. And what they do, and you should avoid doing that, is that they have their account private. This account is private. And this is a mistake because, okay, they have like 49,000 followers and 41,000 followers. But 100% of even these two girls and 100% of other private accounts, they actually lose followers. They lose followers because when someone goes to their account to see like more pictures or more videos and they don't see anything, maybe they will not press follow or click follow. And also, if one of these two accounts or any other account that is private likes your pictures, your videos, your posts in general in Instagram, then and then you see that your post was liked by this person or that person or whatever other person, and you click on their name to see more videos and photos to see if you want to follow them. If you see that this account is private and you cannot access their posts and their posts in general in Instagram, then maybe sometimes you will not follow them back, because when you click on their name you want to actually see more videos, more photos, and to see, okay, is this person interesting so that I follow them? If yes, then you follow them. If not, uh, you don't follow them, or maybe you follow them again, I don't know. All right, so if you want to have many followers, you have to have your account at least public, and the recommended or most recommended that we suggest is basically you have it as a professional account, as a business account. Okay, good. So that is the whole information I wanted to share with you in this video. I will end this video now and I will see you in the next video.